Good morning, everyone. Mr. Tightlines here. It is so cold, -1 degrees. I'm out at one of my honey spots. We have Jacob Bass Assassin NH out there, and this is one of our favorite spots to ice fish specifically. So I'm cutting this short. We're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna tell you real quick. Goal for today: a bass. It's always a goal. Secondary goal: get one over 4 pounds. That'd be sweet. And then the end goal I have for ice fishing season is to finally get one over 5 pounds through the ice. That's going to be a constant goal I have this year, and I'm going to beat that goal this year. Catch you out there. Flag. It's that one. Yeah. I think it's running. Yep, it's running. It's running this way.
Oh yeah. That feels like a bass. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes, bro.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah.
Small.
No, it's largemouth. Let it dive. Let it dive. It's about a 2.5, 3. All right, we got to make a move. Yep. That changes everything. Jacob, that changes everything.
It does. And that's a 3.
That changes everything. Everything. Yes! I got the scale. 3 pounds. Bam. Yes.
Here she goes. Ready?
Thank you, girl. You gave us all we needed today.
I see a feeder caught. That's the fun, eh?
A little bit, yeah. So I'm doing. I'm just sitting here. Oh, it's kind of high to the side. I'll take my chance. Yep. Oh, yes. Oh, yep. It's a bass. I think it's either that or a big pickerel. It's definitely a bass or a pickerel. Oh God, it feels like it wants to dive. It's diving.
Okay, that's a bass then.
That's a bass. Look at it. Yeah, that's a bass. Yep, that's gonna be at least 3.
Oh boy.
Yep. It's trying to dive. It's definitely a bass.
Okay.
Yes, bro. Yes. Here it comes.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes!
That's big. We got another flag up too.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Making moves, bro. Both bass came from right here. Oh,
Oh, you ready?
it's ready. Three 12. I'll take it, dude.
Yeah, that's a beauty.
I'll take it. Is that the flag you're talking about?
Nope.
We asked for it, we got it. We asked for it, we got it, bro. I'll let him go. We got 2 flags.
Right,
Get on out of here. Oh God, I'm recording now.
Feels like bass now.
Looks like bass.
Oh.
They came in a pack. That's a bass.
Yeah.
Came in a pack, bro. Makes me want to go get that one.
You will in a second.
Yeah, it's a smallmouth. Yes! First smallmouth of the year. It's right there. Gotcha. Yes. We got another flag. We gotta go. Here we go. Another flag. All in the area. It's moving. The bass are here, dude. The fish are here at least. Oh! Oh! Yep. And it's bass. Yep. Oh my God. There he goes. 4 or 5. Oh, did he just break? Nope. Let it run. Let it run. Oh my God, Jacob. He's huge. Still running. Still running. Just stopped.
Wow.
It's huge, Jacob. It's a 4 at least, or the flag. Fickle pickle.
When you get close to the button, I'm gonna get back down there. Okay.
Oh, he's popping off again. The wind's. Oh, he kicked. Look at him. Look at him, dude. Oh my God! That's a 5. It's gotta be.
All day.
Oh, it's barely hooked. Where is he hooked? Where is he hooked?
Oh my.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
A string of skin.
Oh my God! He was.
Dude, that's 5. That's gotta be 5.
He was barely there. Here, put that back in. This. Oh my God! This is the biggest fish. This has gotta be.
Ready?
There we go. I got the shakes. 5 pounds, 2 ounces! Woo!
Take a picture of that.
There it is. There it is.
Nice.
Sick, dude.
That's our biggest fish. We got a flag.
We got another flag and I'm flipping out. I want a length. This is so nice. Let's go to the other flag. Yep, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't know? All right. All right. Perch, big perch. Huge perch. I'm gonna let this guy go.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Guys, first 5. Here it is. I'm recording, right, Jacob?
Yes.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let him go.
Stop.
Boom!
It's right there.
This is another pound, like 1 pound perch. We gotta move all of our stuff. First flag for the new trap.
Is it moving?
I can't tell. I need to get white line on it instead of purple. I mean dark. Yeah, go. I think there's something there. Yeah?
Oh, feels good.
Oh, good. First fish is a bass for the new
I
trap?
don't know, man. Weird. It's a weird feeling fish. It feels heavy. It might be a bass.
Let it
dude.
dive, let it dive. That 5 felt like nothing, and then when it dove.
Oh, I just saw it swim by us a bass.
Yeah, it's a nice bass.
Ready?
Dude, that's a nice bass. Oh, that's about a 2.5, right? Let it dive, let it dive, let it dive, let it dive. Just let her go. About 2.5, you think? Maybe a 3.
Easily, yeah. I must have her hooked weird because the fight feels very strange. Right there.
Oh my God, it's right in the corner. Look, hooked weird. You were saying that is?
That's a 2-pounder.
Yeah, it's about a 2-pounder. Just let him go. All right, so we can get all those traps. Jacob and I have like 4 traps over there. We're trying to get over here, but they just keep going off every freaking second. I'm recording, right? Yep. Boom. They look awesome coming through that ice. It's windy, so I'll apologize for that first, but guys, I caught my personal best bass through the ice today. I think we had just about the best time out. I mean, there's another video right here where a plane lands on the ice, actually over there, which was our easily previous best day of ice fishing ever. And we happened to have it the next year. We had phenomenal luck. Guys, 5 pounds, 2 ounces. Jacob's looking for a flag. Are we good? No. All right, we're good. Yeah, but speaking of that, if we get another flag, if we get another fish, you will see it after this. But while we still had some sunlight, we got about 45 minutes of sunlight left. I just wanted to connect with you guys. That fish was amazing. Phenomenal day with a phenomenal friend. And we found some amazing bass. If you like the episode, please give me a like. It helps. Comment below. That helps as well. I like that you comment on Facebook. That's great. Instagram, anywhere you're commenting, that's amazing too. The comments really help me below, so if you can comment below on this video, that would be phenomenal. Until next time, keep those lines tight.